This is like the third time I've changed this thumbnail, but I realized this time I want to change this text from black to white. And since I just downloaded this thumbnail from my YouTube channel, I couldn't go and just edit the text because this is a single image, because then it's going to make it pop a bit more. And, yeah, I don't know. Let's just show you how you do that. Why not? Okay, so first thing you gotta do. You gotta make another one of these red squares. You don't even have to worry about the exact position of it. And you can see it looks a bit off from the original one. You can click that, and hopefully, there we go. Just drag that in there. Oh yeah, and you gotta switch it back to white too, because that's what we're doing here. And do something like that. Line it up as good as you can, and there we go. Actually, a exclamation point might help too, but I don't know. We'll try it and see what happens. There we go, there's a new thumbnail. Okay, now we just click share, download, and see right now this video still has the old thumbnail, and we can update it now, save, and there we go. Now we got the new thumbnail. Also check out this video, it's really cool.